Hi fan, welcome to watch my video. Can you guess how old I am? Yes, I'm 40 years old. Maybe you cannot believe. Yes, the secret to keep my skin is using our factory's Jelly Mask powder. My skin is becoming better and better now after I use our factory's jelly mask. I didn't open the beauty cam. Let me share some advantage of our jelly mask powder. The first advantage of the jelly mask powder is clean and sanitary. And it is 100% close and fits to the pores of each skin. And jelly mask cannot be moving, so that the skins can be better absorb the essence. When the product encounters the water, it can release the small molecules and essence ingredients. And it can better repair the pores of the skin and deeply with short and hair treating. And the second advantage is that it can be peeling off as the whole part, which is easy to take away after applying on the face. And the number 3 advantage is that it can effectively improve the skins with the scalps, skins with the large pores, or skin with the many wrinkles or loose skin. After use it, it can make you feel younger, and your skin will really become better after day by day. And I will feel refreshed and happy. We have many flavors of jelly masks, such as rose jelly mask, lavender, and vampire. Let me do the example to see the change after I use the rose jelly mask powder.